ONGOAL team ingeniously builds a slow-speed kettle dryer for the dehydration and drying of lithium battery material. It comes with higher drying efficiency and lower material crushing rate. Each part of the system is equipped with multiple temperature and pressure sensors. Safety devices such as manual pressure setting, anti-dry burning, and abnormal pressure detection are deployed to the pipeline. Intelligent monitoring without manual intervention can realize automatic operation. The system complete process includes 4 stages. Hot oil feeding stage. The machine adopts traditional oil heating method to bring higher flow rate and turbulent state, and can achieve rapid drying at high efficiency while saving energy. Material feeding stage. Open the valve to feed material. After the oil temperature reaches set value, material enters the dryer by gravity feeding. Low-speed stirring stage. The dryer adopts low-speed stirring process. Under gentle mixing conditions, material gets evenly endothermic and dry. Simulation and optimization design of stirring blade structure. Make sure central material follows downward movement, and material at the bottom follows centrifugal motion, while the material on the edge of the conditioner being lifted. By this means, all material are heated evenly. Discharging stage and material flipping is guaranteed. After the moisture content of the material meets desired values, the stirring shaft rotates at high speed, and self-adaptive bottom scraping device works with scraper to effectively ensure complete material discharge. The discharge device is equipped with a blowing port to ensure the cleanliness of the sealing end after discharge. The low-speed kettle dryer has been well used in the dehydration and drying process before the second sintering in the tannery material production.